Hartman is one of our best-selling brands of garden furniture, and it's easy to see why. Comfort, design and quality are at its heart, and it has styles to suit every garden, big or small. Its garden furniture is made from high-quality materials, including UV-stabilised woven rope, along with rust-free aluminium, featuring details such as rope-back seating, wood-effect metal foil wraps, and Tuscan ceramic glass tabletops. Another key feature of the Hartman range are the weather-ready cushions, available on many of its sets. Weatherproof, they can be left outside all summer season. Hartman's furniture ranges also offer covers, along with up to a 5-year limited warranty. Textile components are covered by a 1-year warranty. Now let's take a look at Hartman's ranges. Amalfi, floral designed, low maintenance cast aluminium. Eden, stylish rope with wood effect tabletops. Berkeley, lightweight and durable cast aluminium. Sonus, comfortable with a comprehensive selection. Capri, classic curve, rust-free cast aluminium. Eaton, UV-resistant beach-toned weave with textured cushions. Avebury, Marquise patterned cast aluminium dining in fresh colourways. Rio, contemporary aluminium with ceramic glass tabletops to match any garden. Aries, luxurious and comfortable geometric rope weave sets. Arley, stylish synthetic weave seating with driftwood effect tabletops. Buxton, wave-styled lattice, low-maintenance cast aluminium. Sahara, striking Mediterranean wood effect aluminium sets. Allura, high-armed aluminium with rope-back seating. Toca, fun outdoor football gaming table sets. Rayo, contemporary weave range with bucket seating. Portico, eye-catching teak foley, rope-wrapped frame. Crucible, entertaining dining and outdoor pool table set. Lyra, durable aluminium dining with ceramic tabletops. Urban, pastel coloured folding bistro sets. We hope you enjoyed the video. If so, why not check out this next one? That's Hartman, available at gardenforless.co.uk.